Hello everyone, here is the fifth group. Our group's documentary theme is to protect the environment, save the Earth's mission. In this documentary, I will explain today's environmental problems. Tian Miaoqing is responsible for explaining humans' bad impact on the environment. Zheng Xinyu explain why to protect the environment. Huang Mingjie is responsible for how to protect the environment. Zhang Zhiheng is to the future of environmental protection outlook. Next, I will start the first part. I will explain today's environmental problems. This beautiful plant is being destroyed. Global warming affecting rainfall and atmosphere circulation changes, so that climate anomalies easily cause drought and flood disasters. The depletion and destruction of the ozone layer, the increase in the intensity of ultraviolet radiation received from the ground bring harm to life on Earth. Biodiversity has been reduced due to the rapid increase of population, irrational exploitation of resources, environmental pollution, and other reasons. Various organisms and ecosystems have been impacted. Acid rain spread hinders the growth of fish and shrimp and other aquatic organisms, resulting in soil acidification, improvement of soil. Forest collapse. Forest water conservation function is destroyed, resulting in the species reduction and soil erosion. Desertification. There are 5 billion hectares arid and semi-arid land globally, 3.3 billion of which are threatened by desertification. Air pollution causes 300,000 to 700,000 premature deaths each year due to soot pollution. Water pollution. Harmful chemicals cause whole use value reduction or loss, affect biological survival. Marine pollution. Frequent occurrence of red tide, destruction of mangroves, coral reefs, seaweed, offshore fish, and shrimp decreased, resulting in the loss of fisheries. Hazardous waste is transferred across the border. Hazardous waste is chemically active or toxic and corrosive act because of its high quantity and concentration, or cause serious diseases that are difficult to cure. There's only one Earth, and we live here. The Earth, there is only one. We exist together, grow together. Okay, let's start the Tian Miaoqing's part. Humans' bad impact on the environment.
Hello everyone, my name is Tian Miaoqing. I'm the student in the UKM and my major is TESOL. Today I will explain the summarize of the mass bad influence on the environment and 10 examples of bad environment. First of all, the negative impact of highly developed industry is not predicted enough, and prevention is unfavorable, leading to three major global crises: resource shortage, environmental pollution, and ecological damage. Environmental pollution refers to the nature or man-made addition of a substance to the environment that exceeds the self-preservation capacity of the environment and causes harm. Or the environment is polluted by harmful substances due to human factors, which has a harmful impact on the growth and the reproduction of organisms and the normal life of human beings. It's a phenomenon that the composition or state of the environment is changed and the quality of the environment is reduced to human factors, which disturbs and destroys the ecosystem and the normal production and the living conditions of human beings. Next, I will tell you the 10 examples of the bad environment. It's famous from all over the world. The first one is Chernobyl accident. The next one is Bhopal gas leak in India. And pollution incident of Lucerne River. Pollution in British waters. Exxon Valdez spills. Arms oil spill incident. Love Canal incident. Disappearing Aral Sea. Chemical contamination in Sicily, Italy. Japan water production disease incidents. That's all for today. I will show you. Thank you.
Then let's start Zheng Senyu's part. Why to protect the environment?
Okay, it's my part, and I would like to present why we need to protect the environment. In recent years, with the development of various industries, our planet has been overwhelmed. As a result, it was followed by all kinds of extreme weather and ecological disorders. Examples are given as follows. Number 1, California drought in June. California reservoir is nearly empty. The San Gabriel Reservoir, located in the San Gabriel Mountains, USA, was nearly empty due to severe drought conditions in this image. Taken 6 June 2021, the drought in California affected rain and snowfall in the local mountains. The reservoir provides water to several communities in Los Angeles County. Photo by Ted Sequi Sepa USA Alam. Number 2, California wildfire, August to September. Flames consume trees during the Dixie Fire, California. Flames consume trees during the Dixie Fire in Genesee, California, USA. On 21st August 2021, the Dixie Fire grew overnight by nearly 10,000 acres to 714,219 acres, and remained 35% contained Saturday afternoon. Photo by Eric Thayer, Bloomberg, Getty Images. And these things are still happening. If we don't take actions right now, who's gonna save our planet? And that's all about my presentation. Thank you guys, and let's move to next person.
Hello everyone, my name is Maury, and now I want to share with you some ideas about how to protect the environment. In recent years, various countries have paid more and more attention to the environmental protections, and many countries have introduced the relevant policies. For example, the European Union continued to record the substantial greenhouse gases emissions reductions in 2020. posted an 11% drop compared to the 2019. According to the latest official data published today by the European Environmental Agency, a data confirms a 30 years downloaded treaty which led the European Union achieved its 2020 target to reduce the emission by 20% compared to the 2019 levels. And at present, the main framework of carbon neutrality in the United States is 3550 plan. That is within 2035 and 2015. As important time noted, it is committed to realize carbon-free power generated through the transportation to renewable energies by 2035 and achieve carbon neutrality in power industry by 2015. Achieve full carbon neutrality. What are China's preferential policies for environmental protections in Paris? In line with the provisions, the environmental protection tax is reduced by 35% and another preferential policies according to the Article 30 of Environmental Protection Tax Law, where the concentration value of taxable atmosphere pollution or water pollution displayed by taxpayers is lower than 30% of the production display standard stipulated by the state and the local government. The environmental production tax shall be levied at a reduced rate of 35%. And all this is about the country. So as a teenager, as a citizen, what should we do? Can protect the environment? So let's have a radio.
The last part is from Zhang Zhiheng, The Future of Environmental Protection Outlook.
It is foreseeable that in the future, environmental protection will be a bigger problem faced by the human. Fortunately, we are aware of the problem. Protection has also become a buzzword.
Well, the use of variety of environmental-friendly energy, such as popularity of new energy vehicles, also shows that people attach importance to environmental protection. Actually, it's not just cost. With the shortage of fossil energy has become a public problem. More and more new energy has been paid attention to. With the progress of new energy technology, new energy such as solar energy, wind energy has many advantages. So many new energy progress has entered our life. I believe that new energy will make our life better. Our Earth is getting better. On the other hand, people's environmental education is also increasingly stressed. In the books of primary and secondary school students in various countries, how to carry out environmental protection is often used as a question on the examination paper. In their class, teachers will also teach them on how to contribute to environmental protection. For example, you can see the picture. Garbage classification has been a hot topic in recent years in China.
I believe that one day, with environmental science and technology and the popularization of environmental protection education, the environmental of the planet will be better and better and become more and more suitable for human beings to live in a beautiful home.
We hope that through this documentary, more people can start to protect the earth with their own power. Protecting the environment is the task of all mankind. Thank you for watching. The above is the 6th group to save the earth documentary or content.